Today I'm gonna show you how to make sound Tchami Rainforest. So let's get started. Here just the drums, that's already similar to original. And this is bass, let's look at his synthesis. You can see two layers of bass. First layer's sub-bass, single oscillator, square saw 1. Then first envelope, send 2, filter 1. OK. Second envelope, he is also sent to filter 1. And this is needed for a pitch attacks. What I mean? It is sent to the pitch window. As a result, we have a good attack. And you can see distortion to create additional harmonics. Okay, let's see the main bass. Two oscillator, pitch, pitch create a punch sound. Small distortion and unison section. 2 unison, small pen position and 50% pitch cutoff. Now go to the sound processing of bass. Yes, I'm here. I'm just tired. And finally, this cool lead. How to synthesize this sound I can't show, because I did not create it first.